At the top of their search results. Don't worry, it's not corona.
Done really good job.
What did you just say?
Corona! Good afternoon, you motherfucker!
What did you say, you racist? Why are you saying racist things to us? That's unkind, it's inappropriate and rude. And you shouldn't say those things. Really rude, really rude. I hope you're disappointed with yourselves for being so racist. That's inappropriate.
You're gonna give me the coronavirus.
Good! Here, would you like some coronavirus? There you go.
미넨에 출장에 가고 나서 전철역 플랫폼에서 또 제가 지나가니까 코로나바이러스라고 소리를 지르고 낄낄거리면서 웃는 그런 사람들을 만났었어요. 최근에 한 중국 여성분이 그런 인종차별적인 이유로 무차별 폭행을 당했다는 기사를 보고서, 그런데 그 폭행도 전철역에서 일어났다고 들었거든요. 그래서 대중교통을 이용하기가 조금 불안하다는 생각까지 들게 돼서
Good afternoon, you motherfucker!
What did you just say?
Good afternoon!